After 2 years of constant travel, I finally made it to South America. Let's see what Cusco, Peru has to offer. Good morning, guys. It is a lovely morning. Buenos dias. It's a lovely morning here in Cusco, and we just got some breakfast. It's really good. I don't know what it is. Oh, there's banana in it. Oh, awesome. Oh my god, that's so cool. Yum. So we're gonna have a little bit of breakfast here, and then hopefully go explore for a little bit before we do a huge hike the next few days. But today, all about Cusco. Cusco is a gorgeous historical city in the Peruvian Andes that was once the capital of the Inca Empire. Though there have been many renovations since its discovery, many of the buildings are still there from over 9 centuries ago. Right now we are with this guy, ¿cómo te llamas?
Josué.
Josué?
Yes.
Okay, eres de Cusco, ¿sí?
De Cusco.
Yeah.
I'm from.
He's from Cusco, so he's gonna try to show us the local things, to what to do here. Okay.
Les voy a mostrar lo que te conté.
Okay.
De los cuernos de los toros, donde amarraban los hacendados, los antiguos, para amarrar a sus caballos.
Okay.
Yeah.
Los caballos, literalmente.
Literalmente.
Oh. See, that's why I was like, how can there be actually horses in here? Hola, buenos días.
This is my wife.
Ah, hola,
Yeah.
¿qué tal? Mucho gusto, papi. Muy bien. Eso es para los caballos.
Ahí se supone que amarraban a sus caballos.
So right now we're in his house. He's showing us that this little thing right here is where they would tie up the horses inside the house. I didn't really understand at first. I was really confused. Oh, there's another one here. Oh, there's a ton of them. There's another one here. So actually this whole front area right now here is a restaurant. And then if you walk past here, then we go see his house. We're gonna go see what that looks like.
De estos arcos te hablaba. Que todas las casas antiguas tienen este tipo de arcos, de piedra.
Oh, okay. So everywhere here they have arches like this in the houses.
Y acá hay unas pinturas antiguas que las taparon para que no se desgasten.
No hay pinturas.
Sí hay. Si lo despintamos, hay una pintura ahí y acá también. Todo
Okay.
esto era todo de pinturas. Y bueno, esa es una casa, esa parte es muy antigua.
So over here is your room? Your cuarto?
Sí, eran habitaciones, sí.
Okay.
Los muros que tienen son de casi 1 metro, sí.
Okay.
Por eso es que no se caen.
Oh, okay.
Por eso es que se mantienen ahí, porque no se caen.
So here we have the kitchen. But
Yeah.
they use this actually
Was it?
for cooking with their restaurant. Hola. Seeing Joshua's house was very interesting because it had that underlying history built in and kind of paints a picture of what things used to look like here. Culebras, culebras.
Sí, mira.
Wow.
1, 2. por
Hay
ahí
muchos
está.
aquí.
Hay 7.
7. Ah, okay.
Justo por eso el nombre.
You can also still find some of the Inca stonework in many of the city's plazas and streets, often in correlation with the street names. Oh my gosh. And of course, the occasional baby alpaca taken care of by Cusqueños, which are citizens of Cusco. Oh my god. Hola, ¿qué tal? They are descendants of Incas taking on the ancient traditions of their ancestors. We just climbed up a bunch of stairs to a street called Pasinapacana. Very difficult to say. But because we climbed up all these stairs, we've got a great view of the city. What I like about Cusco, honestly, is that it's surrounded by mountains. I mean, we're in the mountains, but all the buildings are built into the mountain and they're kind of the same color. So it's almost kind of hard to see them, but it's really beautiful to look at. Cusco Cusco is just how clean and colorful it is. A lot of times people just kind of pass through on their way to Machu Picchu and don't actually take the time to stop and check out the city itself. But it was once the most important city in the continent. According to ancient Inca mythology, Cusco was founded around 1200 AD by a guy named Ayer Manco and his sister Mama Oclo. Manco is believed to have been sent by the Inca gods to bring order to the region and to teach the hostile natives a better way of living. The gods told Manco that wherever he sunk his staff into the ground, that's where he would settle and make his empire. The area would later be known as Cusco, the most important city in the whole of the Inca Empire that governed as far as Quito, Ecuador, and as far south as Santiago, Chile, until the Spanish Empire took over in 1533 when the city was baptized Catholic and sworn allegiance to the Spanish. When the Spanish colonists arrived, they didn't have many tools to convert the non-Christian Inca population into Catholicism, so under the threat of painful execution, they used art to coerce the Andean local masters to recreate the powerful European religious images and teach their people about the new religion. Besides Cusco's historical past, the local food is reason enough to want to visit. So right now we're at this local market, the Mercado San Pedro. It opens at 8 in the morning, closes at 5. So we're gonna see what cool stuff there is to buy.
Oh, every night is like a daze, but oh, I feel embraced as I know I'm running late. Let's wait just one more day. I know I'm running away from moments. What am I becoming? I guess something's broken. I guess something's broken. I guess something's broken.
I will say bargaining at this market was a bit challenging. Even when you speak Spanish, they were just pretty hardcore about their prices. We're gonna try to get these. These are so cute.
What am I becoming? I guess something's broken. I guess something's broken.
Cusqueño food is all grown organically and hand harvested in the Andes Mountains, rarely grown with the use of pesticides or chemicals. The Andes soil is very fertile, which is why the potato originates from Peru. There are over 4,000 different types of potatoes, most of them found in the Andes. So we're actually back at Joshua's house in the restaurant part of it. As I mentioned, he's got the restaurant and the house in the back corner. So they brought us some soup. It's got some french fries in it. ¿Cuál es eso? Esto es carne apaguada. Ah, ok. Y eso es saltado. Ok, es como papas fritas, carne y cebolla, arroz. Ok, con jugo. Yum. Yay. So we just ate at Joshua's restaurant and it was so good. And it only cost us 10 sols, which is really cheap for all the food they brought us. It was really good. Definitely some good local food because there was no English translation or anything. It's just a small little restaurant. If you go to the other places, it can cost as much as 30 or 50 sols for a meal, which obviously is getting more touristy, but still good. Oh, I'm tired. This altitude is killing me. I can't breathe. How are we gonna do this trek, Morgan?
We're not.
Can't even handle walking around this city. That was the one thing that made it kind of difficult to explore the city was the altitude. Both of us coming from basically sea level to now over 11,000 feet was no joke and only gonna get worse as our trip went on. Pisco Sours, which is the traditional drink of Peru. A Pisco Sour is made with pisco, a little bit of ice, a little bit of egg, the egg white of it, and lemon. Cheers! Cheers. Oh, that's really good.
It's the best thing I've ever tasted. So
we're gonna have to order a lot of these.
Yeah, like 7 more.
It's like we're back in college. It's like we're back in college. We're pretty much like huge idiots right now because we didn't really factor in that when you go to a place in higher altitude and you drink alcohol, it's like what, 1 drink? It's probably like 4 drinks right now.
Yeah.
So I think we're pretty drunk.
Yeah.
So we had 1.5 Pisco Sours. How many drinks do you think that told our body? I can't move. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our first day here in Peru. If you did, please comment. Tell me what was your favorite part of this video. What looks interesting to you? I will make sure to put a list of all the places and activities that we did in this vlog in the description of this video. Also put the hostel that we stayed at because it was really nice. It was affordable. You know, there's a lot of party hostels in Cusco, so if you're looking for a place to stay, I'll put that there as well. I want to say a huge thanks to Joshua for flying his drone everywhere in these areas that I'd be too scared. But yeah, so all this footage taken by him. Gracias, muchas gracias.
You're welcome.
I guess something's broken.